Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name is Sharon Holt and I'm the author of Te Reo Singalong books. I'm just doing a little video here about one of our newest books, He Miharo Te Manu, Birds Are Amazing. So in the front of our books now, we always have several features. We have the message from me about how to use the book, and then follow-up ideas, lots of different things that you can do around this book, so it's much more than just a book and song to do on the mat. Glossary there, so you can see what the various vocab words are in the book, and then the English translation. So as you can see at the top there, the first page is He miharo te tui, tui are amazing. He pukenga waiata ona, they have great singing skills. And then each verse after that is the same structure. He miharo te hoiho, penguins are amazing, particularly yellow-eyed penguins. He pukenga koukou ona, they have great swimming skills. So the other thing to find out in here is that you'll see at the end of the follow-up ideas is how to make that sentence structure more useful in other ways. So just down here it's got, you can extend the sentence structures in this book to people. He kōtiro miharo a Sophie. Sophie is an amazing girl. He pukenga oma oma ona. She has great running skills. So we're just using the same sentence structure in the book. Or, he tangata miharo o, I am an amazing person. He pukenga oma oma oku, I have great running skills. He tama miharo koe, you are an amazing boy. He pukenga oma oma ou, you have great running skills. So in each of the books, always look out for how you can use the sentences in that book in other ways, and the vocab and the phrases. Enjoy! Ka kite!